So for 2023, it's been quite a positive year for the Sharia portfolios, both in terms of new investments that we've made, as well as the performance as well. We've managed to participate quite well in the US tech-led rally this year, whilst also maintaining a slight overweight to US equities, which again has proven to be a successful strategy purely based on the resilience of the US economy and that being reflected in the US stock market as well. Where there have obviously been periods of volatility, we've been able to manage the downside by having exposure to multi-asset type strategies, which, looking back 2-3 years didn't exist, but we're now at a place where the universe has broadened out and we're actually able to, have exposure to these type of strategies, which, you'd find in your sort of traditional model portfolios. So in terms of key changes that we've made to the portfolio, we've made our first investment into a global Sukuk passive strategy, which has been exciting for us because it gives us the opportunity to sort of drive down costs. As everyone knows, passive strategies they're not active, and therefore the fees are significantly cheaper than your active strategies, and we feel that that is a perfect blend to have in our sort of global Sukuk bucket. We've also got funds with more sort of targeted direct exposure. Again, historically, the investment universe has only permitted strategies which are either global or the US, for example. But we've now managed to invest into a fund that looks at the Asia Pacific market, which again is great from a diversification perspective. Another notable change that we've made is investing into the Han ETF Gold socially responsible sourced mint ETC, which behaves and invests very much in the same way as your traditional gold ETC positions, but it invests into gold bullion bars that are 65% recycled. So again, this is an investment that is both Islamic compliant, but then also has that socially responsibly sourced overlay, which gives the Sharia portfolios another edge. We've also got an exciting pipeline of investment opportunities that we do want to introduce into the Sharia portfolios moving into 2024. One of them being an emerging market strategy, which tracks the MSCI World Emerging Market Index. We've also got another multi-asset strategy that we want to introduce to the portfolio, again for the benefit of diversification, and that invests into commodities as well as property and some other assets as well. In terms of key trends that we're seeing and witnessing within the Sharia space, there's certainly trends there that we want to incorporate into the portfolios. One of them being the fact that there are more fund providers servicing Islamic MPSs, which is great for us because it means that we're at a point now where competitive fees is now something that we can take advantage of, which translates into a lower cost base for clients. And the second trend that we're witnessing and we want to take advantage of is a greater variety of products that are coming into the market, which essentially means that we can replicate a portfolio that almost has the same level as breadth and diversification as a traditional MPS, as well as take advantage of similar investment opportunities within that space as well.